Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel LIZA'S kitchen. Today I will make chicken fry for evening snack. So here I take leg piece and hand piece of a chicken with the skin. So here I am giving 1 teaspoon ginger paste and 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Then half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon chili powder. Then half teaspoon black chili powder. Half teaspoon garam masala powder. Now I am giving 2 teaspoon soya sauce and 2 teaspoon tomato ketchup. I will give. Now I will give 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Here I am giving 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Now I will mix it properly. You can mix it with your hands too. Mix it properly. That masala will goes to the body of the chicken. So look. Now I will take 1 cup of flour. I will take. Then I will give some salt and some chili powder. Some. Then I will mix with that. Okay. So in another bowl I will 1 cup of milk and I will take 1 piece of chicken and give it to the flour. I will give the flour to the body of chicken. Now I will put it on the milk one, then again on the flour one. I'm just giving the flour. Look. Okay, so for a better understanding, I'm showing another one. Again flour, then onto the milk, then again flour. Okay, so I will open my stove and take 1 fry pan and I will give some refined oil and I will give the chicken pieces to the well. One after one I will give. Look, I give 4 with ones and I have place for that. I'm giving 5 to one time. So I will fry it very carefully and very crispingly. I'm just frying properly. I will fry. It should be really proper fried. Look, I'm frying every pieces very goodly. So now it's look better. My chickens are ready and I fried it 15 minutes. So I will serve it on a serving bowl. My chickens are ready. Look, wow, just an amazing. And I take 2 types of ketchup. One is mayonnaise and one is tomato ketchup. So it's great for the snacks item in evening. So you can have it. So bye. Let's see you on next time and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.